Okay, so this is the final part of the configuring IPv6 address types video. So task 4 is to verify IPv6. So we need to first examine each, excuse me, sorry about that. Examine each of the 4 routers that that we've configured with IPv6 addresses. So we need to verify that we have assigned IPv6 addresses correctly. Okay. We need to do verification that we've assigned them correctly. So we can use commands like show it in config. We can use show IPv6 interface brief, not I show IP interface brief, IPv6 interface brief. We can use these commands to help us. So I'll show you, for example, for the Tampa router. Okay, the lab's gone. I just need to quickly kind of re-enter this lab. So let's do show IPv6 interface brief. Oh, typo. Show IPv6 interface brief. So 000. Oh. So we've got 000, 001. We can see these addresses here. So FE80. If I just quickly like copy and paste this, or actually what I'll do is let me take a screenshot. I'll take you into the lab document and we can compare these side by side, right? Oh, that's not what we wanted to do. Just wanted to show you what it's all about. Oh, sorry about this. I think right, I'm back in the lab. All I wanted to show you was, if I go back into Tampa, I was just about showing you. That's show IPv6 interface brief there. So if we do a comparison of the answer, the lab answer, and excuse me, sorry, feeling quite sniffly this evening. FE80 : 20C colon 39FF. Yeah, looking okay so far. FE62 6232, that looks all fine. 2001 colon 011 colon 1 2001 colon 011 colon 1, right? 001 FE80 colon 20C colon 39FF colon FE62 colon 6232 2001 013 colon 1 2001 013001. So that's all fine. That's all the same, right? What we can also do is show IP interface, show running config, and that way we can also see. That'll also give the that will also be useful to see the IPv6 addresses. We can also see the IPv6 addresses for the interfaces that way as well. So we can see the 000 and 001 IPv6 addresses, and then as you can see here, 2001 colon 0 colon 1 colon 1 colon 1, right? 2001 colon 0 colon 3 colon 1. So that's great, right? We can, those are all matching up there, and okay. So that's what we want there. So now it's the same process with all of the routers. I'm not going to do it for all of them, but that hopefully gives you the understanding that, right, okay, we can use show IPv6 interface brief, show running config to do our verification of the IPv6 addresses that we've configured for our interfaces. So right, so I'm confident everything was done correctly, and just for the sake of time, this video is going quite long. I'm not gonna go into that part 2 there. Finally, the last question: now that you've configured IPv6 addressing, what's happened with the other IP addresses that were previously configured on the Tampa, Orlando, Daytona, and Miami routers. So what's happened with them is that they are still actually assigned to the interfaces. Okay, and this is something really interesting. Um, it's something really interesting. Those IPv4 addresses, they're not gone. They're still there. If you look in the running configuration, if you look at the running configuration, you'll be able to see that those coexist. So that brings me to this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you.